Okay, so let's look at chapter 11C, number 6. We've got a triangle. Two sides are 12 and 8 units, so let me draw that. So I'll draw the 12 on the bottom here. Usually I like to draw the bigger one on the bottom. So 12 there, 8 is coming out of it, and it's at 114 degrees, so bigger than 90. Let's make it look like this. 8 here, and 114 is obtuse. Right there. And we need to find out this area. Okay, so we remember area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height. Well, we know the base already is 12. So really all we need is the height here. Well, to figure out the height, we want to figure out how far that is from the base, from the ground. And remember, if you're standing on top of this cliff and I say, how far are you, what's your altitude, you're not going to measure along the 8, you're not going to measure along this line, you're going to measure your distance straight down to the ground here. So that would be if you extended this line too. So that would form a right angle there. This would be the height. I'll call that H for height, or I'll just write out height. So what I need to do is figure out what the height is. And we've got a right triangle with this 8, this dotted line here, and the height. So if I knew what this angle was, I could use trig. And to get that angle, we do 180 minus the 114, because they're supplements. And we get 66 degrees. So let me put that in the picture. 66 degrees. And then over here I can do that the height, let's see, the height is the opposite side. The 8 is the hypotenuse. So I can do sine 66 equals the height over the hypotenuse. And then if I multiply both sides by 8, I get 8 sine 66 equals h. And, well, you can plug that into your own calculator to get what that is. And then that value we can just substitute back into our area formula, and you can then work out what that equals. Okay, hope that helps.